What's up, Internet? Current 1776 here with a freaking cowboy hat on. By God, check it out. Isn't it nice? So, we're in Texas, cowboy hat, we're in Texas for our Mission 100 celebration. It's going down tomorrow. We got 5 golden ticket winners that's getting to shoot a tank with the potential of winning up to $100,000 if they hit the target. But we've got some sponsors that's helped sponsor the event. Each person is going to be getting this bag right here with all kind of goodies from those sponsors. I don't even know what's in here. We're going to break it open. I'm going to show you what's in there. Obviously, I can't completely open it because this is actually somebody's swag bag, but we're going to take a look at what the sponsors provided. And tomorrow, we're going to present these to the 5 golden ticket winners. Let's see what we got inside. Completely blind right here. So first up, we got this brown box. Something from Puri Bags. So Puri Bag is the title sponsor, if you will, of our event. They are also known as Business Connect. So if you see anything that says Business Connect in the videos, t-shirts, anything like that tomorrow, that's who we're talking about, Puri Bag. We all know about Puri Bag, right? It's the cool bag that I showed, getting the mud hole water and cleaning it up so I could drink it. So this is kind of like their souped up Puri Bag kit. There's an extra bag. There's filters in there. They've got a new design now where you can attach this to the spout of the Puri Bag and filter it again. So you double filtered the water. So you get all the heavy stuff that coagulated in there, you get it down, then you put this on and filter it through again so you get even more filtration. So you ain't gotta worry about crapping like a goose after you drink water that's, you know, tainted. I mean, there's people out here, I gotta be PG. What else we got? We got a big old bucket, Klean Freak body wipes. So Klean Freak is gonna be helping us out with a freaking bucket of wipes. What does it say? 60 individual wipes in there. We got Klean Freak hat. So this right here from Business Connect, the seal desalinator pouch, like I showed you could, that's a problem. You know, if you're stranded on a freaking boat in the middle of the ocean, you can't drink that crap, you're gonna die. You want to dehydrate yourself. There's all the salt in it. This removes the salt. Get your little bucket, dip it in there, drop this in, let it sit for a couple hours. You got grape juice. Another thing of body wipes, this is the antibacterial ones. Pop the top, pull them out like a wet wipe. It is the all natural one, so your bum will be all natural when you get done wiping it, right? You can take a shower with that too. If you're out in the woods, you want to clean up, you can do that. We got Klymit gear in here. We got a Static V Lux SL inflatable pad. This will be Business Connect as well. We got an Aquatabs flask. That's nice. There's some Aquatabs in there. Business Connect has got all the water filtration stuff figured out, man. More Klymit gear. The VC. This thing is great. You can literally put this in your back pocket. Go to ball games and stuff like that. You can sit on hard bleachers. You can blow this up and sit down. I use it when I go to football games in my hometown. Works great, but also, of course, when you're out in the wild, you want to sit down on the ground, not get your butt wet, want to sit on something comfortable or kneeling, you can use this. You can even use it as a pillow. Rhino USA, the deflator keychain. If you're going off-road, believe it or not, you need to deflate your tires a little bit. You don't want them flat, but you want to drop your air pressure. You get more surface area on the ground, less getting stuck, especially in the sand. So you got this you can put on your keychain to help you quickly deflate your tires down to a lower pressure. More Klean Freak. These are going to be some clean people. It's going to be hot. They're probably going to use this stuff tomorrow too. Some more body wipes. This is kind of the 12 wipe kit that's got all the different fragrances, if you will. Peppermint, tea tree, all natural, lavender. Lavender is good. Of course, we got to have some blades. So Fox Knives stepped up and sent this one here. This is the Brighton, not so heavy metal blade. Pretty cool. It's like a keychain blade. You can put it on your keychain. You always got a blade handy for opening up things. And then we've got a Fox knife. Let's see what this is. So we got a little leather pocket sheath. Oh, that's nice. Red, white, and blue design on there. That's a genuine Italian-made Fox knife right there from Mangio, Italy. M398 steel. Sexy. Be careful with Fox knives. They are stupid sharp. Ask me how I know. My Medic. Little med pouch. You should always have medical gear on you in your vehicle, women in your purse. Guys, anytime you're out at the range, you need to have med gear with you. My Medic has got some of the best medical gear out there. Rhino USA. Those guys are going to be down hanging out with us. So we've got a Pro tire deflator kit here. So here you can deflate your tires. You can check your tire pressures. They've got new valve stems, removable tool, and this is the deflator valves right here. Really cool kit. So that's a nice kit that you can keep in the glove box of your vehicle. We've got a 20-inch standard size E-tool. Sometimes you got to dig yourself out of a hole, right? A lot of us dig ourselves into holes. Sometimes you got to dig yourself out of it. And then we've got a 31-inch collapsible multi-tool, so a little bit bigger one. And all their stuff's nice and packaged well, so you can keep this in your vehicle. And when it gets dirty, you put it back in this, and when you throw it into your Lambo, you ain't getting freaking mud all in your Lambo. You shouldn't be mudslinging in your Lambo. But if I had a Lambo, I'd take it mudslinging. 14-piece set pocket plug pack. Sometimes you get a flat tire and you need to plug it. This has got everything you need. You got your reaming tool, you got your plug tool, you got razor blade in there to trim down your plugs. Got stickers. Everybody likes stickers. Ultimate UTV tool bag. Awesome. Organizer roll. So here you got a tool roll so that you can also carry some tools with you. Organize all your tools and keep it all in your vehicle. Maybe you can condense some of that stuff down and put it in here. That is the swag bag, going one for each contestant tomorrow. Not only do they get to shoot a tank, they may take home some money. They definitely get to take home the swag bag. And they get this so that they can check it. Tomorrow morning, we're going to jump on a bus, going to ride a couple hours out into the middle of nothing and shoot tanks. So y'all be on the lookout for that video. Yeehaw. Love you, mean it. Bye.